Welcome back to our mystical channel, where complex concepts transform into child's play. Get ready to embark on another magical adventure through the captivating world of options trading as we introduce you to a brand new character. The enchanting options Theta, also known as the time fairy of trading. Imagine a land where magical tokens can be traded for delightful treats and treasures. Now, picture a friendly fairy, options Theta, who wields a clock wand and watches time weave its spell across the trading chart. Options possess a unique power. They evolve in value as time dances by, much like the sands trickling through an hourglass. This is where the time fairy options Theta comes into play. She sprinkles her fairy dust on the chart and helps us grasp a fascinating truth: the way time influences the value of these magical tokens. Just like your ice cream slowly melts away as you savour its sweetness, options Theta ensures that the value of tokens diminishes as their adventure draws to a close. Conversely, when tokens have ample time to frolic, the time fairy maintains their value strong and steady. In the enchanted market of our fairy tale, keep a watchful eye on options Theta, our wise timekeeper. Her secrets unlock a world of informed decisions and empower you to trade like a true wizard. Join us in this charming exploration of options Theta, the time fairy of trading. Unlock the secrets of time's influence on trading value and enhance your trading wisdom. If you found this magical journey enchanting, don't forget to sprinkle a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more enchanting revelations. Until we meet again, trade wisely and may the time fairy guide your every step.